Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Phantom app. First, download the Phantom application from your device's official app store. Once installed, you will either create a brand new wallet or securely import an existing one using your recovery phrase. It is absolutely crucial to back up your recovery phrase immediately and store it in a very safe, private location. This phrase is the only way to recover your funds if you lose access to your device. Now that your wallet is set up, it's time to fund it. You can transfer cryptocurrency from a centralized exchange directly to your unique Phantom wallet address. Alternatively, the app often provides an in-app purchase option, allowing you to buy crypto using fiat currency. Remember, always double-check that you are selecting the correct network for your specific digital asset to avoid any potential loss of funds. Sending and receiving cryptocurrency with Phantom is straightforward. To send, simply input the recipient's wallet address and the exact amount you wish to transfer. For receiving, you will share your unique Phantom wallet address with the sender. It is critically important to always double-check every single character of the recipient's address before confirming any transaction to ensure your funds go to the correct destination. Beyond basic transactions, Phantom offers many advanced features. You can explore options like staking your assets, swapping different cryptocurrencies directly within the app, and connecting to various decentralized applications. For enhanced security, always enable biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or Face ID. Regularly review your transaction history and any connected applications to maintain full control and ensure the safety of your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.